Hello 5th graders, if you're watching this video, it means you are ready to begin learning about the different phases of forehand movement. Many of you may be thinking to yourself, what does forehand mean? Well, don't worry, in this video you will learn all about it. A forehand movement may sound like a difficult thing to do, but it is quite simple. A forehand movement is a stroke done with your palm facing the direction of the movement toward the ball. A forehand movement is usually done by swinging the racket from right to left while holding the racket in your right hand. For the first phase of the phases of striking the ball with the forehand movement is called preparation. To do this phase for preparation, first you need to make sure that you are in your ready position. Ready position is you holding the racket with both hands and also slightly bending your knees, like how Mrs. Toribio displays in this image. Next, you need to make sure that you're ready when the ball comes towards at you. You may feel comfortable making sure that you turn sideways to prepare to strike the ball. During this phase, you may also hold the racket, as before, with both hands, placing your right hand at the bottom of the base and the left hand at the top. The second phase is called application of force. For this phase, you're going to follow the ball with your eyes to your racket. As you follow along the ball with your eyes, you may pull your racket back using your right hand. Using your right hand, you have to pull it behind before you strike the ball. Make sure to have a strong grip on your racket so it does not fly out of your hands. Phase 3 is called follow-through. For the follow-through phase, you're going to step with your opposite foot, which may be your left foot, and swing racket from low to high to strike the ball. The fourth phase is called recovery. The recovery phase starts with after hitting or striking the ball. And once you hit or strike the ball, you must return back to your ready position, and this is known as a recovery.